Hi, it's Laura with WTI, and if you're completely done with struggling with the manual can opener, then definitely buy this. This is the Cuisinart electric can opener. For me, it's been a dream. It makes opening my cans so much easier. Look how easy it is to open up either a standard size can or even a larger size can. That little magnetic hold up at the top also hangs onto that lid, just making it very easy to work. The other nice feature that I didn't have with my previous can opener is the fact that this lever actually detaches from the unit. So now I'm able to throw it in the wash, give it a good rinse, and then pop it right back in, and it's ready for my next time for me to use. This sleek design also matches my kitchen really well. It's not super bulky. It's very lightweight. It's got a nice black glossy finish on it, just making it look nice on my kitchen. So for those reasons, I highly recommend this Cuisinart electric can opener, and that's just my point of view.